The floor didn't move, the walls didn't shake, and yet on that quiet morning in Paris, the earth itself was caught in the act of turning. In 1851, beneath the vast dome of the Panthéon, a long steel wire hung from the ceiling, stretching down more than 60 meters. At its end, a heavy brass sphere, polished, silent, almost unimpressive. No explosions, no smoke, just a pendulum. But Léon Foucault knew what everyone else didn't. As sunlight filtered through the high windows, a small crowd gathered. Scientists, skeptics, curious Parisians. The pendulum was pulled aside, held still. The room seemed to hold its breath. Then, with a gentle release, the sphere began to swing, back and forth, back and forth. At first, nothing happened. Murmurs spread. Was this it? Was this the experiment meant to reveal one of the deepest truths of the universe? Minutes passed. Then someone noticed it. The pendulum's path, its line of motion, was changing, not because the air was pushing it, not because the wire twisted. The pendulum kept swinging in the same plane, but the floor beneath it was slowly rotating. The Earth was turning. This was the shock. For centuries, Earth's rotation had been argued with equations, stars, and abstractions. Proof lived in telescopes and mathematics, far from everyday life. But here, right here, you could watch it happen. You could mark the sand beneath the pendulum and see the line drift, degree by degree, hour by hour. The planet you stood on was moving, and you were moving with it. Foucault didn't touch the pendulum again. He didn't need to. Gravity did the work. Inertia told the truth. The experiment was brutally simple and devastatingly clear. Some scientists were stunned. Others were unsettled. This wasn't theory. This wasn't interpretation. It was a physical confession from the Earth itself. And the most unsettling part? The pendulum wasn't special. You could build one anywhere, in a church, a museum, a school gym. The universe didn't need expensive instruments to reveal its secrets, just patience, precision, and the courage to look closely. As the hours passed, the line continued to rotate, silently tracing the planet's motion beneath human feet. The pendulum became a clock, not of seconds, but of cosmic reality. That day, people didn't just learn that Earth rotates. They felt it. They saw it. They stood inside the proof. Sometimes the most profound discoveries don't shout. They swing quietly until the truth becomes impossible to ignore. If this moment of science made you feel wonder, curiosity, or awe, help this channel grow. Like the video, share it with someone who loves discovery, subscribe for more stories like this, and leave a comment with what moment in science shocked you the most.